Here we delve into the remarkable world of red light therapy for animals. While this technology is well known for its benefits in humans, it also offers incredible advantages for our furry friends. Animals face similar health challenges as humans, such as joint pain, muscle inflammation, and skin conditions. Red light therapy can alleviate these issues, providing comfort to animals and reducing veterinary costs for owners. Cats and dogs to larger animals like horses, red light therapy is versatile and effective. Consult your veterinarian for a tailored treatment plan to ensure optimal results for your pets. Veterinarians worldwide endorse red light therapy for animals, citing its efficacy and safety in treating various conditions. Dr. Ron Hirschberg of Brockton Animal Hospital highlights the diverse applications of photobiomodulation in veterinary practice. The therapy has successfully treated a wide range of conditions. LED light therapy is generally safe for pets, mirroring its safety for humans. It is non-invasive, free of significant risks, and devoid of chemical exposure. Options include visiting a veterinarian equipped with LED devices or using approved human panels or specialized animal products at home. Red light therapy offers a plethora of advantages for animals, including skin healing, pain reduction, and enhanced immune function. Studies show the effectiveness of red light therapy in treating conditions like atopic dermatitis, joint pain, and post-surgical wounds in animals. The therapy accelerates healing, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall well-being. Red light therapy is a game-changer for animal healthcare, offering a natural, non-invasive solution to various health issues. By incorporating this innovative therapy, you can enhance the quality of life for your pets and ensure their optimal health and vitality. Remember, your furry companions deserve the best care, and red light therapy provides a safe and effective way to support their well-being. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on animal health and wellness. Thank you for watching.